Okay, everybody, Chris Collier here. Starting a YouTube channel, a comprehensive guide. Listen, real quick. If you stay with me to the end, I'll give you 3 bonus tips that you might not hear anywhere else. Y'all ready? Let's do it. Starting a YouTube channel can be exciting and daunting at the same time. Is it too late to start? With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube is the second most popular search engine in the world, only to Google being first, which is parent company. So it's a highly competitive platform. However, it's never too late to start using YouTube as a way to personally brand yourself. Using the right strategies, you can grow your channel to reach your personal target audience. In this guide, we'll provide you some basic understanding with everything you need to know just to start. I have videos following this to give you more in-depth, so stay tuned. What is your niche and target audience? You need to choose it. You have to choose who you're looking for. Probably someone like you, someone who has a similar background or similar history. Your niche is the topic or the theme of your videos, and your target audience is the group of people you're trying to create content for. Your niche should be something that you're passionate about and also have some knowledge about. Once again, you only have to have, like if my pinky is the knowledge someone else has, and my ring finger is the knowledge you have, that's all the more knowledge you need, because you can teach them what you know and keep moving on. Choose your niche, brainstorm ideas based upon what your interests are and your expertise. Consider what kind of content you want to make and what you enjoy watching on YouTube, right? And find gaps in the market. Research your competition, identify what makes you unique. We call that a USP, unique selling proposition. Once you've been able to find your niche, create a buyer persona to define your target audience. This will help you create content that resonates with them and also helps you monetize your channel as it grows. Now, one of the things you want to do is create high quality content. You don't want to just put junk out there, right? It's crucial for your success and your YouTube channel. Your content should be engaging, informative, and entertaining. Let me ask you something. Do you stay and watch videos that are just boring? I'm hoping you're getting great value out of this content. Please like, share, and subscribe if you are. And you can also donate using Patreon, some other means, if you want to help sponsor the channel. You don't want to just put junk out, right? You don't want people just to, you don't want to put like underwater basket weaving and have a thing about babies, or have a thing about cute babies and then do something else. No, you want to make sure you have quality, right? And to create high quality content is you want to give more than what you promised. So that's why the hook, the first part of the video, is very important, because you don't want to just promise, like I said, something that you're not going to deliver on. Focus on the value once again, answering common questions so you can be helpful. Share what knowledge you have, provide solution to problems. Use storytelling and techniques to keep your audience engaged, and use humor to make your videos more entertaining. Let me tell you a story. I'm monetized on YouTube. Many of y'all know this if you're following me. I've got a confession. I don't have a lot. I did some things to get subscribers because I thought that was the way to do it, and it's really not the way to do it. Okay, find people that have like heart, like mind, like you. Someone that's like you. It'll be better for you in the long run. Just because you're monetized doesn't mean you're making money. What do I mean by that? I mean that you don't necessarily make money until you have people that like you, can overcome the know, and like, and trust factors, right? The know, like, and trust factors help you overcome that, and then they'll watch your content constantly. They'll be like, yeah, he's a little bit quirky, but I like that guy, or she, her hair's funny, or whatever the case may be. You'll find people that just resonate with you. Now you want to optimize your content for the YouTube search engine and the Google search engine. Someone types something in the search engines, you want to rank. You don't want to be left out. Now, how do you promote your channel? That is a good question. You promote your channel through getting on, sharing through social media, through SEO, which is search engine optimization, and email. So if you have a list of people that you want to market to, you can email those people constantly, and as you grow your list, they'll be able to tune in more frequently. I want to thank you for watching up to this point. I promised you 3 bonus tips. Here's the first one. When starting your YouTube channel, remember to make your first few videos. They'll not be your best work, but you got to make them now, and you got to make them anyway, even though they're going to really not be the best that you'll ever make. It's okay. You got to listen. A baseball player, right? If they go to bat 10 times and they only get 3 hits, just think about that for a minute. If you make 10 videos, only 3 of them are good, you're doing well. You can make millions of dollars. Not promised, not guaranteed, but you could. Second bonus tip. Also make 5 to 10 videos and upload them before making them public or published. Why is this important? This will show the YouTube algorithm that you're serious about starting a YouTube channel and you're not just playing around. That being said, your third tip is when uploading them, make them go live on similar days. So for me, my channel mainly goes live on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 2 p.m. Why is that? I found it the best time, and that may change later on. So if you catch this video later on, you say, oh, he's not going live on Tuesday 2 p.m. Well, something either happened or we found out there's a better time for us to post. We go every Tuesday and Thursday at 2 p.m. Tuesday and Thursday at 2 p.m. Why is that? Because it teaches the algorithm that we're serious about starting a YouTube channel. And we have a schedule. We don't miss it. We missed it in the last few months. We've missed it once because there was a storm and the upload couldn't go through, but we still made it on the same day. It's a little bit later than 2, but we still made it. So listen, you have issues and problems and things and challenges, but you too can grow your channel. So starting a YouTube channel may seem daunting, but let me share a story. There was a guy who was told if he could eat an elephant, a whole elephant, that he could have $1 million. And soon after that, a few weeks later, he told the person, I finished the elephant. He said, how'd you do it? He said, inch by inch, anything's a cinch. You only can eat a whole elephant 1 piece at a time. So just remember, you got to choose your niche and target audience. Create high quality content, optimize your channel for SEO, promote your videos to grow your audience, and remember, stay consistent and committed in creating valuable content. And I'm going to give you a link in the description below to go to a digital marketing platform that can teach you more about YouTube. In case you might just see this video and don't see any others that catch your attention, and they'll be glad to help you as well as I. Please reach out. Please make any comments if there's some content you'd like to see. Once again, this is Chris Collier. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.